My name is Bridget Robb, and I am running for re-election for Department 13 of the 2nd Judicial District Court Family Division. I'm a native Nevadan, born and raised in Tonopah. I came to Reno to go to the University of Nevada, left to go to law school at Santa Clara University, and then came back to Reno because this is where I wanted to raise my family. I believe that a judge has an obligation to give back to the community, and so from the beginning of my career as a lawyer and now as a judge, I have served on professional committees and have been elected by my peers to the presidency of the Northern Nevada Women Lawyers Association, the Washoe County Bar Association, and then I was selected to serve 8 years representing Washoe County with the State Bar of Nevada on the Board of Governors. And most recently, I was elected again by my peers as the president of the Nevada District Judges Association. Currently, I serve on the board of Children's Cabinet. I'm also on the board of an organization called Girls on the Run, which is an empowerment program for young girls to teach them about physical activity and physical education, but also life skills. I'm very proud of that. I also serve on the board of Washoe Legal Services, and I routinely go and teach government and especially due process to high school students. And I work with high school students in the We the People competition program and also in mock trial. The best thing that I do is adoptions. Adoptions are wonderful, and many times the courtroom is packed with family. And though it is just wonderful and heartwarming to see these children be part of their now forever home and be embraced by the larger family, which is their family, their friends, and the people who are there to observe that adoption. The family court really does everything that is involved with a family. So aside from adoptions, divorces, we deal with custody, paternity, dependency, which is children who are in foster care. I want to continue serving, especially in family court, because you can make an immediate impact in the life of a child. And that for me is the most important thing. Aside from that, you can help people in the most difficult time in their lives many times and help them get to a settlement, get to be able to learn to co-parent and to move on doing something that is good for their children and gets them to live their lives separately but do so in a humane and dignified way. I think some of the hardest cases that come before the court, at least for me, are relocation cases, because many times you have two parents who are really, really good parents, who have a dedicated relationship with their children, and one of them wants to move away or needs to move away because of a job that's been relocated. And you know that in making the decision, you are going to alter those relationships. There's no way around that. And those, for me, are the most difficult cases that we have, because you can't help but understand as a parent what altering that relationship is going to be like. This election season, when you cast your ballot, I'd appreciate your vote.